Hi guys, welcome to this video where I will be showing you how to prepare one of Cameroonians' most eaten and delicious meal. This meal is our favorite Achu and yellow soup. Achu is a traditional meal of the people from the northwest province of Cameroon. But many people all over Cameroon tend to love this food so much. To prepare the achu, I will go ahead and boil my cocoyams, which is our main ingredient. I'm boiling my cocoyams with the skin. Yes, you don't have to remove the skin when you are making achu. Now that the cocoyams are ready, I will go ahead and peel them. I'm using a mortar and a pestle to pound my cocoyams. You can also use a blender or a hand machine to make your achu. Before, I used to use a hand blender, but now that I have a mortar and a pestle, I prefer to use it because it's very easy and it gives it that African taste. So I will just go ahead and pound my cocoyams until I attain a smooth consistency. If the achu is hard, I will add some water to make it a bit softer. But at this point, my achu was soft enough, so I didn't have to add some water to it. Normally, in Cameroon or in the Northwest Province to be specific, we use plantain leaves to tie our achu. And so, because I don't have plantain leaves, I will just go ahead and put my achu in a bowl. Next up is to prepare the achu soup or yellow soup. So to prepare the yellow soup, the first thing that I did was to boil my meat. I will go ahead and add some palm oil inside the meat stock and then I will allow it to cool down before mixing it. As you can see, I'm dissolving my akanwa with water to make it more easy to use. I will also be using some garden eggs, mushrooms and pepper. This is just to bring more taste into our achu and yellow soup. You can also use some vegetables like bitter leaf or huckleberry, which is also known as kontrinjamanjama. And there you go, our achu and yellow soup is ready, so I will just go ahead and serve it. Serve, eat and enjoy. So that was it for this video. If you found it interesting and helpful, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel for more recipe. Thank you very much as you do so, and see you in my next video. Bye.